Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to type bold text on Facebook page. So first, you just have to open your Facebook and then switch your account to your Facebook page. So let me tap my profile here and then click my page. Okay, wait for a couple of seconds and this is what it looks like. Now, if you wanted to post something like you're about to sell, you're about to promote something here, and you wanted to set this text into bold text or bold type, then it's pretty easy. So let's just say I'm going to type here, hi, I will be selling soon, or I will open a new store soon, or something like that. Then what I'm going to do here to make this as bold type, I have to select all and then right click and then copy. Then go to any web browser or a new tab. And then this time I'm going to type bold text. Then after you press enter, you will see different or tons of website here. You just have to choose one. For example, this one, capitalize me or capitalize my title rather. And then right click and then paste the phrase here or words here. And then tap bold. Then you will see here in the output the result. Okay, bold type. And then all you have to do is to copy. Once you're okay with or satisfied with the result, then tap copy and then go back to your Facebook page, delete this one or remove this, right click and then paste or control V, and here it is. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.